Studying health and life instead of disease and sickness is what gives me the advantage in my office. I'm interested in what makes people healthy and well, as opposed to treating their sickness. And that's why I love being a chiropractor. And that's why we've been able to help so many people. Understanding this subtle shift in perspective is what makes all the difference. For example, when I studied anatomy, I didn't just memorize the names of all the bones, muscles, arteries, and veins. What I did was I looked at the structural engineering that was so brilliant and efficient in the human body that made it a masterful instrument of human experience. When I studied the nervous system, I studied the complexity of a highly organized, efficient communication network. It would adapt and coordinate every single piece of information in the human body and use it to be a greater organized system. And when I look at it this way, health, then I see why we're in a bit of a healthcare crisis right now, and I can see what we can do about it. And best of all, I see why chiropractic is so important to have in our lives. We need to take responsibility for our own health. The reason we get symptoms in the first place is because they are telling us to wake up, take charge, and do something about it. Make a change. They're not saying, hey, we're here, so take something to stop our message so that you can get on with your day. I mean, that's fine in the short term if we're buying ourselves some time to make a real change, but unfortunately that's not what we're really doing, and we're causing ourselves more harm than good. So what do we do about this healthcare crisis? Easy. We have to make a few simple changes, and we're gonna start right now. Ready? Okay, good. First thing, stop looking for the magic pill. It doesn't exist, you're not gonna find it. Health doesn't come from a bottle or a pill, it comes from inside. Second, yes, we know we need to eat better. We know that we need to eat foods that aren't processed several times over and saturated in sugar. And we know we need to drink a little more water. Yes, we know we need to exercise more. That's obvious. 30 minutes a day is all it takes. 30 minutes a day of exercise can reduce type 2 diabetes by 91%. 30 minutes of exercise can reduce stroke by 30%. And 30 minutes a day of exercise can bring down lung cancer by 72%, even in smokers. And yes, we do need to think more positive. Try waking up with a smile. Program yourself to do that. It'll change everything. Try it. But here's the one that most people miss, the one that links it all together. The missing piece of the puzzle is chiropractic care. Now, many people think that chiropractic is about backaches and moving bones, but really there's so much more to it. What we really do is we look at the relationship between the spine and the nervous system. The nervous system is the first thing to develop because it's the most important. It controls everything and it does so automatically. For example, we don't think about our breathing, our eating, or our heart beating. Our nervous system does that automatically. Chiropractors understand the delicate relationship between the spine and the nervous system. When the spine misaligns and locks out of position, it puts tension on the nerves and the spinal cord, causing faulty messages flowing from the brain to the rest of the body. These misalignments are called subluxations, and all we do is find them and very gently correct them. Then we take a step back, get out of the way, and watch in awe as the body heals itself because the communication signal has been restored to full power. That's it. It's that easy, and it works like a charm. The sick have gotten well, and the well don't get sick. It really is amazing to see. If you're in pain or you're suffering, then you need to get checked immediately. We can help you. But don't wait till then, because everyone can benefit from a healthy nervous system. That's why we see parents, kids, and grandparents too. We see high-performance athletes because they perform better at their sport when they're well-adjusted. Chiropractic helps you add tone, pitch, and color back into your life. It helps take you from that 85% health, 75%, 65%, or even 55%, all the way back up to 100% health. We do it safely, naturally, and effectively. Give us a call. We can help you see life.